Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be telling you how to activate Hamster Kombat daily pack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram and open the Hamster Kombat into there. And now after opening Hamster Kombat, you just simply have to go into this daily combo option. Simply tap into that, and as you can see here, you will get to see this question marks into here, which is initially 3, but I have already guessed one card correctly. That's why it is showing this anti-money laundering card. And after completing all these 3, your daily combo will be activated and you will instantly get 5 million. Now in order to complete this, you just simply have to purchase any of the cards from these PR and team markets, legal, web3 and specials. You can just randomly guess any of the cards and purchase all and burn your gold. But you can avoid that by seeing YouTube videos and internet articles which post daily about the correct cards for these daily combo. And after that, your daily combo will be activated and you will get 5 million. This way you can do it very easily. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.